Alright, gonna head back toward the bridge, see what I can see. A lot of tornadoes in Illinois. I hear, I think there was even one in Wisconsin, maybe Janesville. A person said. Alright, so I'll see you at the bridge. See what we see. Also, while I was at home, what drew me to come outside this time was I actually saw flashes outside my window. So I thought maybe we'd see some lightning this time. So we'll find out. Alright, believe it or not, I just missed the lightning by about a second. Tell you what, it was the first lightning I saw all night. Sorry I missed it. Doesn't look like it's lightning a lot yet. But we're getting some sporadic. Alright, so this is again heading east on I-94. Swap over to the other side of the bridge and get you looking west. Alright, I tried to stall that out, see if any lightning came, but I'm gonna have to get you that west view. Alright. I tried. Alright, here we are, looking west. Still don't see any real severe weather around here yet. I'll bet you the next video, things might start to change though. See if I can focus in there a little bit. It's kind of looking toward the State Fair there. And west. I-94 west. Alright. Bet the next video will be fun. Should see some lightning at least, I think, or something. Maybe we'll get a tornado. I don't know. I hear they're coming this way. We'll see. Oh, there's some lightning, kinda. I don't know if it picked up on film there. Saw something flashing behind me though. I don't know, there's probably too many lights around here. Maybe if I see someone get in my yard again. Come on, pause. Alright, there's definitely a lot of lightning coming over there. In fact, I don't know if you can hear it on the video, but it just thundered. Let's see if I can get one here. Stoplights changed. That was a big one too. It was a great view too, except for I wish these street lights weren't there, but otherwise it's a great view. I don't know if we're gonna get one. Alright, I bet we get a bunch next time. Here's some. I don't know if you saw it. Alright, so the lightning's coming in here. I bet next time we'll have a bunch. Alright, that's this video. Alright, man. Keeps doing it every time the camera ain't rolling. Come on, lightning, where are ya? A little bit of flashy, maybe. A little bit. There we go. Alright, man. Happy I got one. Alright, next video I bet we get a bunch.